Hi, I'm Trevor Ferns from Heat Seal Equipment, and this is the compact truck mount. Here we have 125 feet of 8-inch Black Knight hose. This hose is very tough and durable. It has a smooth lining on the inside and does not have a wire in the helix. It will not collapse, and if I stand on it, it will always keep its shape. The air enters the machine through the hopper clean-out door, then goes through the 20 filter bags that are enclosed inside the machine. The dirt stays in the hopper while the air exits through the fan and exhausts through the housing duct, then out of the truck. The compact truck mount is powered by a Kubota liquid-cooled turbo diesel. The centrifugal clutch transfers power to the fan and the Champion compressor simultaneously. The compressor delivers 220 psi to the 20-gallon tank. The exhaust from the fan and the engine mix together simultaneously as they exit the truck. The compact truck mount has plenty of power. Here we have a piece of 8-inch pipe hooked up to the intake of the machine. And we're going to show you just how powerful this machine really is.